Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and speed test of the HP v222w, one of the tiniest pen drives, and we have a hologram which also indicate that this pen drive is genuine. I decided to get this in 64 GB, but you can also get in various capacities and all. So let me just open and check out on this guys, and the price is high over here, but you can get definitely this pen drive for a very less, and definitely recommend to get this pen drive if you are trying to use it or deciding to use it with your car's mp3 player and all. And as you can see, it is very compact guys. Also check out the link in the description if you want to buy this from Amazon, and which would help also my channel a lot. And it is very tiny guys, and as you can see from the size, even it is tinier than my thumbnail. And it is one of the most compact pen drives and beautifully crafted pen drives which I have seen. It has this metal body and a plastic over here which host all the electronic stuff and all. And this is EC certified and all, and you all can check out other things in the description guys. Let me just show you how it looks from the back, and it has this kind of crimping thing. And let me just also try to bend this and check out how is the build quality of it. And I'm doing my I'm applying the full pressure, but it is not getting flexed guys, so definitely this will hold up. And I can see a slight bend, but it's not a great concern guys, I feel. And definitely the whole purpose of this pen drive is not for using for expensive thing. It's just like copy all your files and put on in your car or back of your television and just forget about it. So this is one of those pen drives guys. And definitely the only lagging thing what I found is this is USB 2 instead of 3, so the speeds will be less. So we'll also going to do the speed test comparison for this guys. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using for your TV or your mp3 player in the car. And based on that, at least I can answer few queries if you all have any. So, and let me just connect this with my computer. So presently, those people who had been asking me, I'm using the MSI Prestige 14 which comes with the Thunderbolt and all, and USB 3.2. so I've connected to USB 3.2 for this, and I'm using the Crystal Disk Mark for doing all the tests like read write speeds and all. And one of the reason why I'm not doing this on my Mac guys is because I need to connect a OTG connector, and most of you all users who are watching this video are not going to use a Mac, and they are going to use this with your Windows system. So this makes a perfect setup if I'm using Windows with the MSI Prestige laptop. And going through this guys, I had been doing a lot many unboxing and something like speed test and all with various pen drives which are available in the market, because there is a lot of scope for this. And most of the people who are buying for the first time can definitely look at the read speed and all. If you like this kind of videos guys, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload a new video. Also do not forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook at the rate Creative Soft, because it's where we always keep posting our latest stuff and news etc, and something like reels and all with tips and tricks. And this is taking a bit longer than the usual because this is USB 2 guys, and not the 3. Maybe 1 like the previous HP pen drives which we have just unboxed and done the speed test and all. So I feel like if you are going at least in 2022, you all should at least opt for USB 3 or 3.1 or 3.2 for those kind of reasons guys, because the speed is not going to be enough. Especially the USB 2 is, I guess it is about more than 15 years the standard had been there. So I don't think so it is considering the special speed, I don't think so it is sufficient. And as you can see, a lot of time has been lapsed, and I have just forwarded this video 2 times, but I'm again getting a lot of issues with this, because it is just like 15 Mbps read, and the test is going extremely slow guys. So in the end I may even cut off this particular test and directly show you the results. And also I hope you all won't mind about this. And let me know in the comments below if there is any other pen drive from HP or SanDisk or any other brand which you all would like me to do a unboxing and speed test of it. usually we compare it with one of the flagship pen drives, and sometimes we even like majority of the pen drive which we get is HP, and maybe like SanDisk can also do keep in mind. And also guys, this video is not sponsored by HP or someone, because we genuinely purchased this from our money, and we decided to use it as our daily driver for like the television or just playing MP3s in general guys. So also do keep that in mind. So it is not biased, and nobody is paying us to do this kind of videos. We are just doing it for our sake and for the viewers sake. So most of y'all who are in the market for getting a very tiny compact like this kind of drives, I think this is the most compact drive in my case, and I feel you all definitely should go ahead with this, because especially if you are using with the television and all, it's just going to be staying hidden guys. And definitely this test is taking a very long time, and by now this any USB 3 pen USB 3.0 pen drive should have been finished, but since this is USB 2, it is taking a very long time. So don't buy this only primarily because of the speed, because the write speed is 18.74 Mbps, which is in my case guys for that particular price range is less. So do check out the link in the description if you want the exact pricing of this, because the pricing keeps on varying guys on Amazon especially. So I got one of the best deals on Amazon, so I decided to purchase this, especially the 64GB variant, because I don't think so I'm going to have movies or any kind of music more than 64GB. So that was the primary reason, and especially this can also act as your secondary storage, just a backup storage, just in case if you want to take a quick backup of your files etc. And if you want a transfer like basic files, not the huge files guys. So in that case scenario guys, I feel this is one of the perfect pen drives which we can get, and especially you can attach this to your keychain and use as a backup in case of emergency and all. So I have decided to stop this test guys. So this is the read speed. The feed is having some 15 Mbps read speed, and the write speed is 18 Mbps, which according to me is sort of bad guys. And again guys, if you like this kind of pen drives, you can definitely get it, but it is very compact, very tiny, and the build quality and the looks are very good. But I slightly doubt if you all are using this for a rough use, then this pen drive might not suffice your needs etc. So just get this just if you want to keep the pen drive hidden, for just in case you are playing MP3s for your car and all. And this is it guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out the link in the description for this. And also we have this awesome cool videos on our channel, do check that out. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular pen drive guys, and thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.